Hey everybody, so thanks for watching. So my purpose of this channel is to just inspire people, honestly. You know, ever since I was a small child, I've always had a love of nature. My dad always took me and my siblings out camping and hiking and exploring, you know, and so that's why I named this Exploring Atlas. We're exploring the world together, and you know, one trail at a time, one city at a time, one adventure at a time. So and hopefully I can inspire people, like I said, to just, you know, have that same type of love. And so, well, cool. Thanks for checking us out.
Darling, I know where to go for us to get away. Let's take it down to Mexico, or the bright lights in LA. 'Cause I know I can't ride this wave alone. No, no. Just hold on to my hand, girl, let's get going. Darling, let's get going. Darling, let's get going. Darling, let's get going. We get away. We got to get away. We get away. Let's get going. We get away. We got to get away. We get away. Let's get going. I'll make it unforgettable. Let nights turn to days. Oh, hey. And you and me could light it up, yeah, in cinematic ways. Oh, 'cause I know I can't ride this wave alone. No, no. Just hold on to my hand, girl. Let's get, darling, let's get going. Darling, let's get going.
Y'all, there's a turtle out here. Hey, buddy. You made it safely across the road, huh? So beautiful. Here. All right, buddy. You know, one of my favorite parts about exploring is just getting out there and being surprised, because you never know what you're going to run into. Whether you're in a Jeep and you're Jeeping, you never know what kind of obstacles you're going to run into. I mean, you can plan accordingly, you can look on maps and all that, but a lot of times I like to just kind of go find a spot, don't really look too much into it, and then go figure it out, like go see what's out there. It's the excitement of the adventure, of the new, the unknown. And so that's what we're out here doing today. It's just trying to explore and see what all's out here. I haven't really looked too far into what's on these trails. So they're moderate, nothing really technical. Soon we're gonna be doing some more technical stuff. just a fun fact about Kent. My favorite food is Chick-fil-A all day. This is not a paid promotion. This is this is me. Man, I'm telling you, there's no better way to start, end, or fuel your day than Chick-fil-A.